Hello everybody, today we're going to be learning biology, and in biology we're going to be learning characteristic and classification of living organisms. Here we have a question from PMT Physics Maths Tutor. What is the approximate percentage of oxygen in expired air? So here's the question is about percentage of oxygen we expire, like all the living organisms that expire. Okay, so when we breathe inhaled air, the air around us, the atmosphere, contains about 21% of oxygen, 0.04% of carbon dioxide, and the rest is mostly nitrogen. Now, our body uses oxygen for respiration. That's the process in which cells use oxygen to release energy from food. So when we breathe out expired air, some of that oxygen has been used up and carbon dioxide has been added. So let's compare by making a table right over here. Oh my god, sorry. Let's make it again. We're gonna write in short forms type of air. Over here we're gonna write IA for inhaled air and EXA for exhaled air. Okay, we're gonna write oxygen O, the percentage, we're gonna write CO for carbon dioxide, and the inhaled air of oxygen is 21%. The inhaled air for carbon dioxide is 0.04%. The exhaled air for oxygen is 16%. The exhaled air for carbon dioxide is 4%. Over here it says oxygen, so let's look in the MCQs, and our answer is C. Okay. Second question we have over here is compare with the atmospheric air breathed out by humans contains. Let's read the question again. Compared with atmospheric air breathed out by a human contains. Okay. Let's recall what happens when we breathe. When we breathe in, the air is cool, dry, and has little carbon dioxide. When we breathe out, the air has more carbon dioxide, more water vapor. We have more carbon dioxide because respiration in our cell produces CO2, carbon dioxide, and more water vapor because air passes through moist surface in our lungs. So exhaled air has more water vapor and more carbon dioxide. So our option is D. Okay, where is urea made? Let's trace the path of waste in our body. Proteins are broken down into amino acids. The liver changes the extra amino acids into urea, a nitrogen containing waste. That area is then carried by blood to the kidneys, where it's filtered out into urine. So urea is made in the liver, not the kidney, not the bladder, not the urethra. It's the liver. Okay. We have a next question here. A rat has the scientific name ratus. Ratus. What do the two parts of this name refer to? Over here, you guys might be thinking that this is the same name, ratus ratus, but no, these ratus ratus have different different parts. Okay, the first ratus over here. Okay, this is the first ratus, this is the second ratus. Every living organism has a scientific name made up of two parts. This system is called binomial nomenclature. Bi means two, nomial means names. I'm gonna write over here. Bi is equal to two, and nomial is equal to names. Okay. The first word ratus over here, the first word ratus shows the genus, the group of closely related species. The second word, this one, the second word shows species, the specific organism within that genus. So our answer is genus is the ratus, this one, the one with the capital R, and the species is the ratus with the smaller r. Thank you.